Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can add a video in a Canva presentation, so let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, I have a blank presentation with two slides, but I'll just delete one. This is what it'll look like if you open up a blank presentation project. And now this is the part where, of course, you'll want to add your video. So to add your video, what you need to do is go into Uploads and then click either Upload Files or first select Video Recordings. Go to Upload Files and click on it and select the video you want. Alternatively, you can just drag and drop the video file into Canva itself, and that should be quite good enough. Now, as you can see, I have a couple of videos, so let's drag this one here. All you have to do is click on it and drag it here, and now that video has been added to your slide. Now, as I've said, if you drag and drop the file from a file manager straight into Canva, it'll recognize it as a file and put it right in anyway. But yeah, that is essentially it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.